is champagne, strawberry and white chocolate truffles. Welcome to Kitsch Pastry. Here is the recipe for white chocolate and strawberry ganache. First, I'm going to chop this white chocolate into small pieces and leave it in a bowl. In a pan, I'm going to cook these strawberries with sugar. I'm using frozen strawberries today. I want to make thick strawberry syrup so I can use that syrup to flavor my white chocolate ganache. Leave it on a medium fire and let it boil. Now I'm going to strain my strawberry syrup using this strainer. And after I'm pouring back into the pan, and I'm going to boil with double cream. So I got this thick strawberry syrup in the pan and I'm pouring the double cream. So this way I can infuse the strawberry flavor into the ganache. So this strawberry ganache I'm going to make small bowls and place in the middle of the truffle. Strawberries I'm using here got nice strong strawberry flavor, otherwise white chocolate gonna overpower that strawberry flavor. When it start boil, just pour it over the white chocolate. Give a good whisk. Combine white chocolate and the double cream and strawberry puree mix. I got freeze-dried strawberries here. I will cut into small pieces and mix with this ganache later. Now I'm going to pour this ganache into a clean bowl. If you like to have this strawberry ganache more red in color, you can add some food color, red food color. And I'm going to cover with the cling film and I'm going to leave this in the fridge. This is the recipe for champagne ganache for this truffle. Again, I'm going to chop this white chocolate into small pieces. I'm placing this white chocolate in a bowl. With double cream. So here I'm going to do a what you call double boil or on a bain-marie. So I got a simmering pan of water. I place my bowl on top of that. Give a good stir. I want to melt this white chocolate. Now it's melting. I'm adding the butter. And instead of butter, you can add cocoa butter also. And adding the champagne. It look like a bit split, but when you mix, all gonna combine together. Give a good whisk. It will be a smooth champagne flavored ganache. This ganache is more softer than the strawberry ganache. So I'm going to place this in the freezer for 5 to 6 hours. Strawberry ganache is out now from the fridge. I left this in the fridge for nearly 7 hours. I'm going to add my freeze-dried strawberry pieces. Now I'm taking some onto my palm and making these small bowls. I add these freeze-dried strawberries to get more flavor and color into this strawberry ganache. I'm doing few truffles, just only strawberry flavored, and rest gonna be small bowls that will go into the champagne truffles. And now I'm going to keep this in the fridge again. After half an hour in the fridge, I'm taking out the strawberry ganache. Now the champagne ganache is set. Champagne ganache is more softer than the strawberry one, and that's how I want, just melts in your mouth. Like I said before, you can add cocoa butter. Instead of butter, you can add 40 grams of cocoa butter into this recipe. Now I am covering these strawberry ganache bowls with champagne ganache. I just want to cover it. I'm not worried about the shape now. Just get equal amount of ganache around the strawberry ganache bowl. And try to do it as fast as you can because start melting. And again, I'm going to place this in the freezer. I got it out from the freezer now. I'm going to roll it on my palm with some icing sugar to get the shape. To cover the truffles, I got this white chocolate. I'm going to melt this in the microwave, and I'm adding vegetable oil into my white chocolate. Mix well white chocolate and vegetable oil. My truffles back from the freezer. This is grated white chocolate. After I dip in the white chocolate, I'm gonna roll this on the grated chocolate. Nice combination of flavors: strawberry, white chocolate, and champagne. You got strawberry truffle in the middle and melting white chocolate and champagne ganache around that strawberry truffle. Nicely roll it on the grated chocolate. These ones are just strawberry ganache. So if someone don't like champagne, so you can have just strawberry ganache. I'm going to garnish with some white chocolate on top. And placing some freeze-dried strawberries. And champagne and strawberry truffles gonna have some edible gold. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you like it. Check my other videos too. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. Subscribe my channel. I will see you with another video.